There's a conspiracy ethi Mr. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela died in prison and he was replaced by a body double. You understand? So the conspiracy goes ukuthi ngo-1985 Mr. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela was sick, yabo, and unfortunately he lost his life, yabo. He loses his life as I say in police custody, as I say at jail, yabo. And the dying was an issue for the apartheid regime. You must understand ukuthi besikhathi Steve Biko at the hands of the police, yabo. So the dying was an issue for the regime, but the regime saw this issue as an opportunity to replace uTatu Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. You understand? So they replaced uTatu Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela with a man known as uGibson Makhanda. So the conspiracy goes to uGibson Makhanda is initially from Zimbabwe, but he was part of the ANC. You understand? And he resembled uTatu Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. You understand? So uGibson Makhanda was taught how to speak like uTatu Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, how to present like the president, and how to behave, like everything nje, how to even using isandla. If Nelson Mandela was right-handed, uGibson Makhanda used right hand. If Nelson Mandela was left-handed, he was taught how to use left hand. You understand? So this conspiracy is added ngokuthi Nelson Mandela died or lost his life in 1985, yabo, and Brana 67. Hence, on his birthday, we celebrate his 67 minutes to Nelson Mandela. You understand? And that thing is also added on. This conspiracy is also added on by I'm a conspiracy theories that this conspiracy is also added on by ingoma yaka-Johnny Clegg or Johnny Clegg ethi asimbonanga asiyabo. You know the song ukuthi asimbonanga uMandela la ashona khona. You understand? Implying ukuthi vele uNelson Mandela, uTatu Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, lost his life khona lapha eprison. You understand? So ama conspiracy theories of this conspiracy aphinde athi babona ngensumba, yabo, ukuthi insumba yaka Tatu Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela is on the left, but yaka-Gibson Makhanda, the clone, the replacement, is on the right, yabo. Baphinde bathi uGibson Makhanda cannot speak isiXhosa. To me, this conspiracy, like I don't agree with this conspiracy, yabo. Firstly, because you can always flip the lento le abayisebenzisa ukuthi insumpa yakhe beyingapha manje siyengapha. You can always flip like camera. You can always flip like pictures able to give that impression, yabo. And secondly, there are multiple videos of uTatu Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela speaking isiXhosa after being released from a prison. You understand? And thirdly, uGibson Makhanda, like birth certificate yakhe or proof of birth yakhe, uGibson Makhanda is 17 years older than uTatu Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. You understand? And so it doesn't make much sense ukuthi umuntu who's 17 years older than Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela can be like a clone or a doppelganger yakhe and abantu bangayiboni.